Niger State Government have reaffirmed its commitment in improving adolescent well-being and promoting responsible behavior by increasing access to quality physical and mental health services in the state. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Primary Healthcare, Dr. Muhammad Ghana, disclosed this at the 2025 International Adolescent Health Week, organized by the ministry in partnership with WHO and UNICEF, held at Nasfa Hotel, Mina. Correspondent Habiba Dauda completes the report.
Representing the Permanent Secretary, the Deputy Director, Community Health Department from the Ministry of Primary Healthcare, Fatima Gogo Muhammad, described the week as an opportunity to spotlight the challenges facing adolescents by creating safe spaces where they can speak freely, seek help, and receive tailored health support from trained focal persons, states and nationwide, adding that the celebration is aimed at giving opportunity to educate adolescents on reproductive health, personal responsibility, and the importance of accessing available healthcare services in their communities.
Celebrate with our young ones, and what we emphasize on is to make sure we bring them together, to explain to them, to know their self-esteem, their proactiveness, and also not to shy away from some of the challenges they used to have. They should open up and talk to their parents, talk to their guardians, instead of going to talk to their colleagues, which will lead them to negative aspect of what we don't want. Instead, they should talk to their parents, they should talk to their guardians. In any circumstances that may arrive, they should please be able to talk to their guardians and their teachers too, because some of them used to face a problem which, if they didn't open up, it leads to depression.
She, however, called for greater prioritization of adolescent-friendly health services to ensure equitable access to care and empowerment for young people, and urged for collaborations among governments, development partners, educators, and parents to ensure effective implementation of adolescent and mental health policies. Also speaking, the Adolescent Youth Coordinator, Niger State Ministry of Primary Healthcare, Fatima Ahmed, said adolescence is a critical phase marked by potential and vulnerability that demands targeted interventions. By reaffirming the ministry's commitment to expanding youth-friendly health services, especially in hard-to-reach areas.
Today we are celebrating Adolescent Youth Day, which we started 13th and we are ending it on 19th of October. This year's theme is strengthening in our health, adolescent physical and mental health. Why do we say we should strengthen the physical and mental health of adolescent youth in Nigeria, not even in Niger State, in Nigeria as a whole? Because we want adolescents not to go into a depression, and they should be able to manage themselves. In this era, we want it to be an youth performance that it will not be I decide for them, they contribute in the decision making, because they are the leaders of tomorrow. And when we have a good leaders and we have a good foundation, we know that the nation will now go higher.
She then called for renewed national commitment to safeguarding adolescents' physical and mental well-being, describing them as key to Nigeria's social and economic future. The theme and stakeholders also visited government-based science college Tunga Mina, where they sensitized and advised the students to avoid drug abuse and risky behaviors by prioritizing mental health as part of lifelong health habits. The event featured panel discussions where youths call on the government and stakeholders to make mental and physical health care more accessible and youth-friendly, as all sectors of government reaffirmed its commitment to improving the health and well-being of young people, and urged for stronger action to address the silent struggles of young people, as well as roadwork, question and answer section, and group photograph.
For us to have physical and mental health, build self-love, and then build love to the society. Your manner of approach to life itself. If you develop yourself, you are not developing yourself, you are developing the society too. So you have to develop yourself, build self-love, build love for the society too.
Social media influencers to talk about how we can do with the stigma going on in the society, peer pressure, how adolescents' mental health is being tempered with. So we are trying to give a more open more open room of how to discuss it with them, how to make them open up more and trust the community. And that is where the health workers, the parents, the teachers, and everyone at large come to talk to the youth about it and let them understand that it's okay to open up. We don't need to stigmatize them about their mental health. It is normal, and then it needs to be addressed right on time.
Every 13th to 19th October is International Adolescent Health Week, with this year's theme, Thriving Inside and Out, Strengthening Physical and Mental Health. From the Nasfat Hotel Mina, Habib Adauda reporting for NSTV News.